Are you starting? Oh, hi! Hey you guys, so we're gonna do our sauna video that you guys have been asking for. We're still on day 9 of my raw detox cleanse, and I just wanted to show you guys what I'm using almost every night. I've skipped a couple of nights, but for the most part I've been really consistent with using it. So this is our sauna. The company is called Kuppet, Kuppet, and it says it actually right here as well. Kuppet. I don't know if you can see that with the glare, but bought it on Amazon, $90. They have several on there that are at different prices, from $90 to $500. I wouldn't pay more than like $150, honestly. So, you know, look at the different vendors on there, find yourself one from there. And it's called a steam portable sauna. So Google those words or however you need to look for that, and you can find it on Amazon. So I just wanted to go over it really quickly, and I'll give a quick demonstration on how I use it. So this is where the steam comes from. Comes out of here, has this remote control. I have this 32-ounce bottle. I just fill it with water and put the water in here. And for me, I put some essential oils in here. This is eucalyptus, and I use that. Put the water in, put this on, and the steam goes right through this tube. And you have to put all of this together. Obviously, this comes together. You put the tubing on, which is easy. Just press it on, put the tube on here. And there's poles within this thing here. You just take the poles and push them together. There's 2 curved poles for each side. There's one here, there's one here. There's a curved pole here and a curved pole here, and it gets put together here. Then there's poles on the inside, and I'll just show you a little bit of the pole. I don't want to unzip it too much and have everything come apart, but it's just simple poles. And you just put them together. You don't need any screws or any tools or special equipment for it. This whole thing that just zips up. And then you'll see here at the bottom, this is where the steam is coming through, and it comes in through that cup. It catches all the excess water, and at the end you would dump that out. It also has this thing on the bottom here that you put in. It absorbs the water, so your floor does not actually get wet under this. So we do this on the carpet. Our carpet is never wet, so it works out well for us. And this is the chair that goes in there. It's just one of those, you know, picnic folding chairs, and it just sits right in there. It's quick drying. After we're done with the sauna, I just unzip this front here, take the chair out, dump the water reservoir, and take out the bottom mesh thing, hang it up, and it's dry for my next use the next day.
Now, a question that I have that I'm going to tell them as well, is that chair comfortable for you?
It's all right. So usually I get in here naked, and I just put a thick beach towel over the chair. That adds to the comfort, because these little things here, maybe if you're a smaller girl, it wouldn't really bother you.
Or man.
Or woman. Or man or woman, yes. These things wouldn't bother you, but these little things, they press into the back of your thighs. So if you put a beach towel on here, that takes care of that anyway. So I'm going to get in to demonstrate for you. And it has multiple settings. You can do it for an hour. And then the different settings.
Tell them what those P's mean.
It's the pressure, the heat. So I only do 4 because it gets really hot.
So it goes through P through what?
1 through 9.
And it does time limit of?
10 minutes, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And I'm going to do 20 minutes today, just as a demonstration for you guys. And you can probably hear it's already started to get the water going. The water will start to boil, and then as the steam gets produced, it'll come through this tubing here, and it'll go right into there and under the chair and up. So I will show you. Like I said, I'm normally not dressed getting in here. If you want to get in dressed, you can, but I just want the full sweat and the full detox of it. You want to release the toxins from your body, which is the purpose of it. So you don't want your clothes stopping that process. So I usually get in, and you can even just get in like sports bra and underwear, however you're comfortable, or what your home situation will allow. So I'm going to sit in the chair and then zip it up. And it's a two-sided zipper, by the way, so I can zip it up from the inside as well.
And most people will like to know, did you install this yourself?
I did. And I don't put things together in our house usually. It's usually Ron. So let me push my chair back. It was.
And they also would like to know, can you move it?
Oh, yeah. I just moved this for this video. It's not usually in this spot.
And can you move it with everything attached?
Yes.
Except for that piece down there.
The water thing, yeah. So I'm going to zip it up as much as I can. And I'm a short person. I'm only 5'1". So if you're a little taller, this may fit around you a little bit better.
And I'm 5'7".
If you have a lot of room around this side here, you can also wrap a towel around your neck. Why so close?
I thought that was funny.
You can also put a towel around your neck so you can keep your air in. You can also unzip these two things right here so you can, if you have it in front of the television, you want to watch TV, you can put your remote control here. You can put your TV remote control here, your cell phone, whatever.
I would like to know, why is that bag right there?
Oh, because I wanted to tell them what I bought from the store.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to take off my Fitbit. So yeah, you can have your hands out. Sometimes I even just unzip these little things because it gets so hot in here and I just can't take it. So it's actually starting to heat up now. But it takes a minute. It's just a little warm. I put cold water in there.
Don't lean. You can tell that it's leaning.
Oh.
And
yeah.
as you see,
it's
guys,
because my chin is pulling it down. I have it zipped up too.
And as you see, the rods aren't the greatest.
Yeah.
But you have to build it, because sometimes these rods right here that I'm pointing at, they like to fold in.
Yeah. And it's actually really comfortable in here. Like I said, I'm short, so these things kind of hit me in the face a little bit. But it doesn't really bother me. I just sit back and relax, and it's comfortable. I usually have a little table right in front of me. I prop my phone up on it so I can do my meditation while I'm sitting in here. Sometimes I'll listen to music. Sometimes I'll just have the lights off and have it nice and dark and relaxing. Sometimes it's just quiet, and it's a nice 20 to 30 minutes for yourself to just relax, decompress. It definitely puts me in a better mood. I sweat like crazy in here, and the first couple of times I wasn't sure if the sweating was just the steam getting on my body or if it was actual sweat, and I've determined that it is actual sweat and not just the steam making me wet. So yeah, I really like it, and there's a lot of different ones out there. It doesn't have to necessarily be this brand. Like I said, I wouldn't pay any more than $150 max for something like this. I really just wanted it because I was going to the gym pretty much strictly for the sauna until the C word happened and wasn't able to go to the gym.
What's the matter? You can't say coronavirus, COVID-19?
Well, some people are getting like the algorithm or the keywords. They watch those videos to see what you're talking about.
I don't give a damn.
So ever since that happened, we've been unable to go to the gym. And then our gym reopened, but you had to wear masks the whole time. I'm not working out and wearing a mask. I'm not doing it. So I canceled my gym membership. I bought this as an alternative, and I'm so glad I did, saving $60-something a month for the gym, and I paid a one-time price of $90. You can't beat that. And I'm home. I can do it naked, which you can't do naked at the gym. I can go from this right into my shower.
Well, some people do that anyway.
Yeah. I can go right from this right into my shower, and it's really nice to just be able to do this at home in the comfort of your own home under your own terms. It's really nice. And I've also seen some people where they put their head completely inside, where they remove the chair, sit cross-legged on the floor inside of here, and put a towel over the top. And I could do that because I'm short, so I could really close this whole thing and put a towel over this and have my whole body in here. And it's so comfortable and so relaxing. Do you want to come look at me? It's still comfortable. And I'm getting more of a facial too. So, whatever works for you. And I don't know if you can see the steam starting to come out now, but it's pretty hot in here already, so it takes only a few minutes to heat up, and I really enjoy it. And this is my first time actually having my head all the way in it, and I'm just leaning back. I'm comfortable. It's relaxing, and I could definitely do this with a full covering going forward. So yeah, that's my experience. Did you want to add anything to it about how it is for you when you're in it?
So much for short videos, y'all.
Well, this is a little different situation.
And what's up, y'all? Love y'all back. Thank you for the love. Before I get into my what I feel about this, I appreciate all y'all. Thank you very much. All right, let me get into this sauna bag. That's what I call it, the sauna bag. Anyway, mine's is gonna be a little different. So let's get right into that. That chair is stupid. It's uncomfortable. Number one, I do anywhere between 20 minutes to 40 minutes, depending on how I feel that night. I like to do it one time per day, but I don't. That's the goal, but I don't. My wife's level, I think she said 4. I'm at a level 5 and I'm done. 5 is enough for me, and I don't get in there naked. I do put a towel on that chair because it's uncomfortable, but I am 237 pounds, so there you go. And it can hold me up, by the way. If anybody wants to know, that chair hold a heavy person, I am heavy. I'm 5'7", I'm 237 pounds, and that chair does hold me. And I put in a nice, comfortable, thick towel. I put it in that chair, I get in there, I put my level to 5, and I'm in there anywhere between, why do I look so weird?
It's the lighting.
There we go. So, and I do, like I said, I do 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or 40 minutes. And I use it not because of what my wife uses, but that's beneficial to me as well. But I use it because I do manual labor work. My manual labor, I'm picking up things, I'm carrying things, so it actually loosen up my upper back, lower back, my shoulders. It just opens up everything. My hands, they get stiff and tight. I notice when I do that daily, it doesn't cramp up on me. I'm not saying it's end all, you never get it again. I'm just telling you, my body feels so much better when I get into this box on a daily routine, which I'm slacking, I don't do it. But when I do it daily, my hands don't hurt, they don't stiffen up, my back feel good, my upper back feel good, my chest feel good, my knees, my thigh, my entire body feels really, really good when I do that on a consistent basis. And you also got to take consideration how you eat, how you sleep, how you take care of your overall life. So if you're doing all that to a magnitude where you are comfortable, by all means, I say try it. I'm not saying it's gonna help any of your health issues. I'm just saying it helps. It's not gonna end it, but it helps. I have back problems, and it helps my lower back. I'm not saying chronic pains. I just have lower back issues because I'm heavy, and it's just like pains in my back. And to be honest with y'all, it does help with that. It doesn't take it away, but it does help. I don't want you guys to purchase something and go, oh, you said it was gonna. No, it's not gonna end it. It just helps. It helps relieve it. Yeah. That's what it does. And I believe if you do balanced meals, you eat properly, you do the right thing, you eat your vegetables, you eat your fruits, you be mindful what your intake is, and if you need a doctor, you go to your doctor or whoever is helping you along that. I wouldn't take it amongst yourself to try to do all that on your own unless you're a specialist. But it helps. It helps my mood, believe it or not. You wouldn't think a sauna will help your mood, but it really does.
It really does.
It helps your mood. I notice when I do that as well, I get a lot of pimples on my forehead. I notice when I'm routinely doing this sauna, I don't get those. My skin looks clear, it's smooth, it looks healthy. So I gotta get my butt back in there, but I'm just being lazy. I don't do what I'm supposed to do. You know, just the norm of an everyday person that just either lazy or just don't want to do it. That's who I am. But I will give it honestly, you guys, you don't have to get the brand, but I would try it. Don't spend a lot of money on it, and go through a store, a manufacturer where you know if you don't like the product, send it back. Don't keep it, get lazy and go, oh, I'll send it back later. Next thing you know, you can't send it back. Try it, give it an honest shot. 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you don't like it, send it back. But I'm telling you, it works. And I'm always biased, though it's crap. I think mostly everything doesn't work. But this little sauna box, as I call it, it works. And that's all I have to say. Anything y'all need to address or want us to answer, mainly my wife, put it in the comment section, and I'm pretty sure she will get back to you as soon as she can.
And by the way, it's really nice and steamy in here now. I'm starting to sweat, and the eucalyptus smell is amazing. It's relaxing.
By the way, I do not like that eucalyptus smell. Not for me.
Smells wonderful.
We're already on 16 minutes.
Okay. Well, I was done. I had nothing else.
But that's why I went back to you.
Thanks for watching, you guys.
The woman likes to feed off me. I say something, it triggers, and bam, she's ready. So we already made this 16 minutes and 15 seconds. You guys enjoy the rest of your day, your weekend, hell, your week. Love you guys. Stay positive. Peace.
Bye.
Oh, wait a minute. I did that wrong.
What?
Do it again.
Bye.
I messed that up. Oh.